Saving with Shay, and I'm here for my Walmart midweek haul for you guys. Listen, I'm excited about this haul because I didn't really do one for the weekend because the deals are kind of weak, and so I'm happy to be back doing some deals. There are definitely some awesome deals to share with y'all today. But if you're new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face, I am Shay with the guns. Oh, look at that. Today is my 15th month anniversary, you guys, back in the gym. I've been super hella consistent and my back is sick right now. I'll probably post a picture because I'm so proud of myself, and my back is sick right now. I need the abs to be sick. I want to have some sick as can be abs, and I need some sick quads as well, and I need some sick glutes too. Can I get some sick glutes, universe, please? Sincerely. But listen, y'all, look, so today I need 18 offers for $5. We have a larger bonus as well for that. I probably need like 50 because Ibotta always give me 50 for 10. And so I'm not sure if that's going to happen this time around. I was hoping maybe it might happen because we got a bunch of good like Schick deals, like the Schick Extreme popped up this morning. So we have the Skintimate, we have the Hydro Silk and the Schick Extreme, and limit of 2 for each one. And the Skintimate and the Hydro have been resetting for me, and so I'm hoping that they all keep resetting and I might be able to knock that larger bonus out. I did order my eyepiece from, I'll pop it up right here, who I got the eyepiece from. But I've been using those $3 coupons and they have been scanning for me. Let me show you what it looks like really quick. Because some of you guys have been asking me. I know the Schick Extreme one doesn't actually exclude the coupon. And I got, you see I got a stack. I ordered 2 sets. And this is the coupon, because one of you guys asked what coupon was I using. This is the one that I'm using. It's on the disposables. And so, yeah. And so, other than that, what else? Oh, I did find some more Snuggle coupons. This is the $2 coupon. So I did that deal again. And it's been working out perfectly fine. I think I did it on inbox dollars. What was it, yesterday, the day before? Which is cool. And so other than that, y'all, we go head over to Walmart. We're going to see what kind of awesome deals that we can grab today. If you want to see Jiggle grab, you know what to do. Keep on watching. All right, guys. So I went ahead and grabbed the Sara Lee ham again. I grabbed it yesterday. I went ahead and got the Black Forest this time around. The offer on Swagbucks, it popped back up. It's $7. The other apps, it was $4. But when I submitted my receipt, it was processing at $4, but I did get the 7. So I got a pound. It was $8.85, got back 7, made it $1.85 for 1 pound of Black Forest, which is an awesome price. I'm not sure if the offer is going to last any longer because, again, when it processed, it was processing at 4. All right, so yeah, a couple of you guys hit me up about this deal. And if I can remember, if I can find the post, I'll pop it up. So I already knew to kind of keep an eye out for these $2 hang tags. So this deal is on the Bodyarmor. It's on the 6-packs. They're priced at $5.82. Grabbing one of them using this $2 hang tag coupon here. You'll pay $3.82 out of pocket, getting back 2 on Ibotta, limit of 5. Makes them 30 cents per bottle, which is definitely not a bad deal. I'm going to see. I'm not really sure if I'm going to do this deal yet. They do have the 0 sugar ones, which you guys know is my preference. And so, yeah, not a bad deal. So keep your eyes peeled. All right, so I'm not really sure if I'm going to do this deal on the Tyson lightly breaded boneless chicken bites because I still have a bag in the freezer. You know what? I probably will do this deal because my nephew really likes this. And so whenever they come over, I give him some of these. And so the price at $8.47 for this, you want to grab a total of 2 of them. And that total is going to come to $16.94, getting back $8.50 for buying 2 on Swagbucks and $5 on Ibotta for buying 2, makes them $172 per bag. Just a little egg check, okay? Eggs are going down. Last video, they were 39. Right now, they're 34. So they went down like, what, $5? I'm mad at it. I wish I would have waited. Could have saved me $5. But a lot of you guys were saying check Costco. Costco in my area for 5 dozens is 25. So I really wish I would have got it there. And so, yeah. So next up is the Airwick Advance. Looks like they only have, what is that? That's a double pack. They only have 3 left, which is good because that's all that I need. Well, Let me be honest. I kind of low-key needed 6. But I'll take the 3. All right, so the price of $3.98. This popped up on Ibotta this morning, getting back 4. Makes it a 2-cent moneymaker. And I did see Nicole's post this morning on Instagram, and there is an offer on Shopkick as well for, I think, 600 kicks, I want to say. If you are still using Shopkick, that's definitely an option. And so, yeah. And of course, I'm doing the Snuggle deal again. Oh, look it. They have new bottles. They're so cute. Oh my god. I did find more hang tags like a day ago. Was it yesterday? No, the day before. I found some more at a different store that I rarely ever go to. For $2, but I only found 4, which is cool because that's all that I needed to this deal again. So for this deal, we're grabbing the Super Fresh as well as the Blue Sparkle. They're both priced at $4.77. And that total is going to come to $9.54. I used 2 of the $2 hang tags. I paid $5.54. Got back $2 on Ibotta and then $4 on inbox dollars. Makes it a 46-cent moneymaker. And then we grabbed the Snuggle sheets again, as well. 70 count price at $3.93 and the 200 count price at $6.97. Total for 2 is going to come to $10.90. Using 2 of the $2 hang tags, you'll pay $6.90, getting back a total of $2.75 on Ibotta and then $4 on inbox dollars, bringing these down to only 7 cents each. Now, when I submitted my receipt, so this is yesterday, to inbox dollars, it missed one of the items, so only gave me $1.50. So I did have to put a ticket in for the correction. And so, yeah, 7 cents each. It's definitely not bad. This next deal we're going to do is on the Axe deodorant. I went ahead and ordered some IPs. I'll pop up who I get my IPs from. It's 2 off of 2. So I'm going to try it and see if it works out for me. So we're going to grab the Axe deodorant down here. Priced at, they repackaged these. They look nice, huh? I grabbed 2 of them, priced at $4.97. That total is going to come to $9.94 using this $2 off of 2 IP. Hopefully it scans, which will bring the total down to $7.94, getting back $4 on Ibotta, $3 on Fetch, brings it down to 47 cents each. I think I'm going to go ahead and grab this combination as well because the offer on Ibotta for the deodorant is a limit of 3. I do have 3 more available for Fetch as well. And since there's an offer for the body wash 2 on Ibotta, I'm going to go ahead and grab 1 of each. The total is going to come to $9.94. And then I'll use a $2 off of 2. Bringing the total down to $7.94, getting back 4 on Ibotta, $1.50 on Fetch will make it $1.22 each. So I think I'm going to grab this. All right, and then this popped up on Ibotta this morning for these Schick Extreme 3. This one is priced at, what is that, $6.78? For this, I'm going to use this $3 coupon right here. I got this from the same IP Fairy, which will bring the total down to $3.78. Getting back 4 on Ibotta will make this a 22-cent moneymaker, limit of 2. So I'm going to grab 2 of those. And then I've already done this one down here on Reset. On the Skintimate at $6.27. With a coupon, you pay $3.27. Get back 3 on Ibotta, makes it 27 cents. The Hydro Silk they're out of is $6.78, back 3. So it makes it 78 cents with this coupon. Use these in self-checkout. They scan perfectly fine. So this next deal is on the Carefree. Look, they can see that ain't nobody buying these. Like, ain't nobody buying them. They've been on rollback forever. But listen, some of them are on clearance because that's the rollback price. That's the clearance price. So we're going to grab 1 at $5.50. Now, I did use this $3 coupon, scanned perfectly fine in self-checkout. Paid $2.50, got back 3 on Ibotta. Making it a 50-cent moneymaker. Limit is 1. It did reset for me. Alright guys, so here is our complete haul for today. This worked out pretty good. I did have a little problemo. Is that how you say problem in Spanish? En español, problemo. With one of my deals. Didn't work out as I expected it to. And honestly, I can't even say that I don't know how I feel about it. I don't feel good though. Because when your deal don't go great, you don't feel good. I mean, why would you feel good if it didn't go great? It's supposed to go great. And it's supposed to be rainbows and butterflies and unicorns all the time. But sometimes it's just not. And so we'll get into that. but a lot more went right than those that went, well, a lot more went right than that went wrong. That still didn't come out right. A lot more went right than went wrong. Three times the charm. But the Hydro Silk, that reset 3 times. Skintimate reset twice. I'm hoping that the Schick keeps on resetting. I ordered 2 sets of coupons, so I plan to use them all, but I do know that it's a Knox coupon, so it doesn't expire. And I did use the rest that I had from the last time I ordered them, and those scanned perfectly fine, self-checkout as well. So that IP scanned, Carefree scanned, Axe scanned. It was 2 off of 2, but it just took off $1 off each item. What else as far as coupons? Y'all already know I've been doing a Snuggle, like the last 3 hauls, like this Snuggle. That coupon's been scanning as well. I did the Wick on both Walmart Rewards as well as Ibotta. Walmart Rewards, it goes through pretty fast. Like I literally can rinse and repeat real quick. Like I can roll it back in real quick on the next transaction normally. But because by the time I did the Walmart reward transaction, I already did all my deals. So I was just like, okay, whatever. So I'm going to save that $12 on Walmart rewards for the Airwick and just roll it to this weekend probably. I was hoping it might reset on Ibotta, but it already had a timer. If you guys watch my last 2 videos, you know the ink box is the ink box, all right? Pay $1, get back $5. Limit 2, it reset 3 times, so that's what we did. The ham, Black Forest ham, bam, $8.85, got back to $7. I'm hoping the ham Turley deal resets again. I don't think that it will, but I didn't think it would this time. Hopefully it does, because I already used my first pack. So I have a pack plus this pack. And this right here, cut up with some scrambled eggs, throw in some onion, bell pepper, maybe some mushrooms, and it's bomb. So hopefully that will reset. As you can see, I don't have a lot of food here though. All I have is 2 food items. The Gardetos. That's a Flavor Wiki deal. Popped up on Joseph's account. And so it's $4.29 at 7-Eleven. Get back 8. And then I think that's it. Oh, you know what? There was something I wanted to mention, y'all. Almost forgot. I did a giveaway for the best food coupons. The first video, I had 3 winners. Only one of you guys got back to me. The second video, I'm going to pick 3 new winners, all right? From that video, I'll pop them up right now. And I'll also pop up my email address. So just email me your address and I'll send those out as soon as I can. Probably going to send you 3 or 4 though, because I actually have a lot of them. I actually found some more of those like 2 days ago when I found those Snuggle coupons. So hopefully I can send those out this weekend at the latest. And then the other thing was, with the sister apps charging 30 cents when you cash out using PayPal. Now, one of you guys hit me up last week and let me know about it. I hadn't seen it yet. But if you watch my last video talking about Swagbucks and me getting that $150 bonus, for hitting level 9, that's when I noticed it, when I cashed out for that. That $150 hit my PayPal this morning, y'all. I was like, cha-cha-ching. And then when you hit level 10, you get $250, which is awesome. So definitely going to be using Swagbucks a whole lot more. I ain't even going to front. So with the Axe, that's what it didn't go right. Look, by the time I checked out, it was no longer on Fetch Reward. It was gone. And so not getting back the extra $450 just makes me feel some type of way about spending what I spent on those items, because I don't like to spend money on stuff if I don't really have to. And if I was spending that, was going to end up spending that, I wouldn't did the deal. And so I kind of low-key want to take it all back, but I don't like the whole reversals and stuff like that. So I might just return one. Since I didn't get the $450, I might just return one without the receipt. I don't know. We'll see. But if it stay as it is, it's still a moneymaker haul, so I could technically keep it all, and it would still be okay. But if I look at that particular specific deal, I would be like, oh nah. But can you relate? Please say you can relate. But anyways, let me run through this because I'm really talking too much, and I'm hungry. And you see here retailed $168.16. We had $51 in coupons. Again, they all scanned perfectly fine. Brought the out of pocket down to $117.16. Our sales tax was like 12 something, which of course we only have 2 food items. All right, getting back a total of $70.75 from Ibotta. $42 from Walmart Rewards. Inbox dollars is $8. Flavor Wiki is $8. And last but not least, Swagbucks is $7. So getting back a total of $135.75 back in rebates. It makes everything you see here free plus an $18.59 moneymaker, which is awesome. Other than that, if you made it to the end, I appreciate you guys watching. Jojo, what's our emoji again? Popcorn. That's because he's eating popcorn. I ate the last Smart popcorn bag yesterday, y'all, and I'm like, dang, can I get a Pepsi coupon? Can I? So if you make it to the end, we appreciate you guys watching. We want to see popcorn emojis in the comments, and also let me know what your favorite deal is this week. Mine's is obviously whatever's making me money. So whatever's making me money is my favorite deal. All right, simply put. Other than that, appreciate you guys watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.